Valentine's Day provides a useful natural experiment in applied behavioral economics. Every year, preferences remain largely stable. Budgets do not. Spending, however, increases. Standard models of rational choice struggle to explain why individuals repeatedly exceed their intended Valentine's Day budgets, despite anticipating the holiday well in advance. This suggests the presence of systematic, predictable biases rather than information failure. First, social norms establish a reference point for, quote, appropriate, unquote, romantic behavior. Gifts and experiences become signals of commitment rather than sources of direct utility. Deviation from this reference point is costly, not financially but emotionally. Loss aversion plays a central role. The perceived loss associated with disappointing a partner or appearing insufficiently invested outweighs the financial cost of overspending. In this context, the loss is hypothetical, but the response is very real. The halo effect further distorts evaluation. Higher priced gifts are interpreted as stronger signals of affection, and regardless of their intrinsic value. Price becomes a proxy for sincerity. Economically, this is inefficient. Socially, it is persistent. Anchoring effects intensify these distortions. Luxury advertising sets elevated reference prices, making mid-range options appear reasonable by comparison. Consumers believe they are choosing moderately. They are choosing relative to a manipulated anchor. Scarcity cues, limited editions, one-day menus, seasonal availability introduce urgency and suppress deliberation. Time inconsistency tends to follow. The result is a predictable spike in spending across flowers, dining, and jewelry. In the United States, average per-person spending approaches $200. Other countries exhibit lower equilibria, reflecting different cultural norms rather than different biases. From a behavioral perspective, Valentine's Day is not an anomaly. It is a concentrated demonstration of how emotions, norms, and cognitive shortcuts interact with markets. Love may be priceless, but romantic consumption responds very clearly to incentives.